Okay. So what is percentage? Percentage is a number out of 100. Suppose you got 25 marks in your maths exam and total marks are 100. You are getting 25 out of 100. So I can say you got 25% marks. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the sign of percentage. Okay. So that can be expressed as a fraction out of 100. If we have to calculate percent of a number, we divide the number by whole. Like if you got 100 marks out of 200, then how will we take the percentage of these numbers? We will multiply it by 100. We will multiply by 100. The number we have got and the total number out of which we got multiplied by 100. This is how we take out percentage of any number. So what will we get? We get 50%. Got it, everyone? Show me a thumbs up if you got it. The word percent means per 100 and it is repeated by this in the matrix. We have to divide the value total multiply by 100. Suppose you have got 3 chocolates. 3 chocolates and total number of chocolates.
Monica ma'am, your screen is not visible actually. Monica ma'am. Ma'am, are you here? Monica ma'am, you are not audible. Your screen is also not visible. Student, just stay back. I will check for that.
Show me a thumbs up if you got it. And if you have any query or doubt, you can ask me. Calculate 10% of 50. 10% of 50. Percent means per 100. So we can write it per 100. Of means multiply. The number is 50. We have to find out 10% of 50. So now we calculate. We get 5. So 5 is the 10% of 50. There is a trick also to find out the 10%. When we have to find out 10%, we simply remove the 0 from the number. If I remove this 0, I get the 10% of the number. Let's say the number is 500 and we have to find out 10% of 500. So what will we do? We remove 1 0 from 500 and we get 50. So 50 is the 10% of 500.
Monica ma'am, your screen is not visible if you are sharing the screen.
Okay, let me share it again.
Bluetooth mode.
Now is it visible?
Not yet, ma'am.
Is my
It
screen
is saying
visible to
it
all of
has.
you, everyone? Can you tell me?
Yes, now visible, ma'am.
Okay.
Cleared.
So percentage is a number out of 100, and when we have to find out the percentage of any number, we divide it by total number and multiply it by 100. Suppose we have to find out the percentage of your marks. You got 30 marks out of 200. So what percent did you get? So what will we do? 30 divided by total number out of which you have got and
Ma'am,
multiply
can you
it by.
please explain it again? I couldn't understand it.
Yes, sure. You got 30 marks out of 200 in your math set.
Ma'am, your voice is not proper. I cannot listen it.
Okay, 30 marks.
Ma'am, 30 out of?
30 out of 200. 30 out of 200. So what percent did you get? So for finding a percent, we divide the number by total number and multiply it by 100. You got 30 marks out of 200. So 30 divided by 200. This is your obtained marks and this is total marks and multiplied by 100. Now calculate it. We get 30 by 20, that is 15%. Okay, 15% marks you have got. So this is how we calculate the percentage of any number. The number divided by total number multiplied by 100 and we get the percentage. Here I have given example. My screen was not sharing that time. So again, if I have 10 chocolates, and I give you, I gave Ananjit, I gave Ananjit 5 chocolate. So how much percentage he got?
Ma'am, 50%.
I have 10 chocolate and I gave 5 chocolate to Ananjit. So how much percent of, we have formula, the number divided by total number multiplied by 100. Is it clear to all of you? What formula are we using here to find out the percentage? The number obtained divided by total number multiplied by 100. Is it okay, all of you? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me a thumbs up, everyone, if you got it. Okay. Then how much percentage will you get, Ananjit?
Ma'am, 50%.
Yes, you got 50%. So this is how we calculate the percentage of any number. Now we have to find out 10% of 50. What will be the number? 10% of 50. I will tell you a trick also here, but first of all, let's go with the steps. 10%. Percent means out of 100. So I can write 10% like this, 10 out of 100. Off means multiply 50. 10% of 50 is 10 out of 100 multiplied by 50. Now solve it. We get 5. So 10% of 50 is 5. Now the trick is that if we have to find out 10% of any number, like we have to find out 10% of 50, we just need to remove the 0. We remove the 0 and what we get? What we get? 5. Okay, now tell me 10% of 600. By using the trick, we will remove 1 0. We will remove 1 0. What we get? 60. Yes. So 60 is the 10% of 600. So this is how we can calculate 10% of any number easily. And if we have to find out 5%, now what will we do? 5 is the half of 10. Yes? 5 is the half of 10. Yes or no? Show me a thumbs up if yes.
Yes.
Yes. So 10% is 60, then 5% will be half of 60. That is 30. So if we calculate 10%, we just need to make it half and we will get 5%. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, now let's move further.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see the fractions and percentage relationship. We can write 1 by 2 as 50%. Half means 50%. 1 by 3 is 33.33%. 1 by 4 means 25%. Like this, 1 by 5 means 20%. So this is the percentage and this is the fraction form. To calculate the percentage, we can use the given below tricks. X% of Y is Y% of X. What does it mean? Let's say 5% of 50, it should be equal to 50% of 5. Now let's calculate it. 5% of 50 means what will be the 10% of 50? 10% of 50 is 5. So 5% of 50 will be half of 5. That is 2.5. Now calculate 50% of 5. 50% of 5. 50 out of 100 into 5. What we get? Again we get 2.5. So this formula can be used. X% of Y is equal to Y% of X. Clear to all of you? If I say 2% of 10, then I can also say 10% of 2. Both are the same thing. Converting fractions to percentage. For converting fractions into percentage, we just need to multiply by 100. No other thing we have to do. Only just multiply by 100 and you will get the percentage of that fraction. So what percent will you get here? Divide 100 by 4, we get 25, and 25 multiplied by 5 is 125%. Okay, can you tell me what will be the percentage of 3 by 2? Calculate the percentage.
Ma'am, 150. 150.
150. So how will we do it? Just multiply it by 100 and we get 50 multiplied by 3, that is 150. Very good. converting decimal into percentage. Now we have to do reciprocal. We have to convert decimals into percentage. Again, we have to multiply it by 100. Just multiply it by 100. We get, and place decimal before 2 digits. We get 25%. Okay, now tell me percentage of 0.4.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, yes, go ahead.
It is 40%.
It is 40% because we will multiply by 100 and we get 40%. Very good.
Reyansh, can we request if you can remove what you are writing here because it would be, distracting other students. Yeah, thank you.
Find the 35% of 500. 35% of 500. Now we will use shortcut trick that I have told you. What will be the 10% of 500? Ayan, can you tell me? You can unmute yourself while giving the answers.
50.
50. We just have to remove 1 0. So we get 50. And for 35, we need 10% plus 10% plus 10% plus 5%. It makes 35%. Am I right? So we also need 5%. So 5% of 500 will be what? When 10% is 50, then 5% will be 5 is the half of 10. So what will be the half of 50?
Ma'am, 25.
Yes, very good. 25. So 10% of 500 is 50 and 5% of 500 will be half of 50, that is 25. Now we can calculate it. 10% that is 50, again 50, again 50 and then 25. It makes 35%. So what number will we get? We get 175. So this is the short trick. We just need to find out the 10% and 5% and add those numbers to make the required percentage. Any doubt? Anyone? No doubt?
No.
Show me your thumbs up then. Find the 80% of 700. Again, we will use short trick. For 80%, we need to find out 8 times 10%. We can do like that also. Yes or no? Yes. So find out the 10% of 700. What is it?
70.
70, yes. And 80% will be 8 times of 70. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you make 80% from 10? When you multiply it by 8. So the value we also multiplied by 8 and we get 560. There is another method. You can make you can take 50% plus 30% also. That also makes 80%. 50 plus 30% is also makes 80%. So what is the 50% of 700? It means half of 700, that is 350. And 30%, for 30%, If 10% is 70, so 30% will be 3 into 70, that is 210. And 50% plus 30% is equal to 350 plus 210. Again, we get 560. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move further? Out of 50 pupils in a school wear watches. What percent of the pupils do not wear watches? 31 out of 50 pupils wear watches. So remaining will be pupils that do not wear watches. 50 minus 31 do not wear watches. So what we get? 19. 19 students do not wear watches. Now we have to find out the percentage. And for percentage, what formula is there? Given number upon total number. And total number is 50 multiplied by 100. Because we have to give the answer in percentage. What percentage of the pupil do not wear watches? So first of all, we find the number that do not wear watches, and then we will calculate the percentage. And for percentage, we have the formula number out of total number multiplied by 100. So we get 38%. Any doubt, anyone? All clear to all of you? Show me your thumbs up. When you got, then show me your thumbs up. Okay?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand. Okay? So our question is 31 out of 50 pupils in a school wear watches. And what percentage of pupils do not wear watches? When 31 wear watches out of 50, then 19 will be there who do not wear watches. 50 minus 31, we get 19. 31 wear watches, then remaining will not wear watches. Understand? So now we have to calculate the percentage who do not wear watches. So 19 out of 50 multiplied by 100. This is how we calculate the percentage. Yes? So just calculate it. 50. 100 divided by 50 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 19 is 38%. So 38% pupil do not wear watches. Now is it clear? Ela scored 72 out of 100 in French, 96 out of 100 in maths, and 75 out of 100 in German. Find out her overall percentage of marks. So percentage, we calculate out of 100. It means in French, she got 72 out of 100. It means 72%. Out of 100 means percent. For maths, she got 96 out of 100. I can write it 96%. And for German, she got 75 out of 100. That is 75%. Now we have to find overall percentage of marks. So there are 3 subjects. So we have to calculate the sum of these 3, then divide it by 3. So 72 plus 96 plus 75 divided by 3, because these are the numbers for 3 subjects and we have to find out overall. So we will divide it by 3. What we get? (243 by 3). 81. So overall percentage of marks is 81. She got total overall 81% marks. Clear, all of you? Change 4 by 5 into percentage. Now this is for you. This question is for you, all of you. Find out the percentage of 4 by 5. What do we need to do to take out the percentage?
Ma'am, it is 80%.
First of all, give me the answer. What do we need to do here?
Ma'am, first of all, we have to divide 5 by 100, and the answer is 20, and then we have
5 by 100 or 100 by 5? We just multiplied by 100. Yes? 5 to the 10 and we get 4 to the 8, 80%. So for converting any fraction or decimal into percentage, we just multiply by 100 and we get the answer. So 80%, yes, is the correct option. The next question for you. A student got 45% marks in exam and failed by 10 marks. If the maximum marks in the exam is 200, what is the minimum percentage marks required for the passing the exam? I think this is a little bit tricky, so let me explain it, okay? A student got 45% marks in exam and failed by 10. And total number is 200. So what is the 45% of 200? 10% of 200 is 20. 5% of 200 is 10. So 45% will be 4 times 20 plus 10, that is 90. And he failed by 10 marks. It means he needs more 10 marks for getting passed. It means he needs 100 marks. 90 plus 10 is equal to 100 marks. If he get 100 marks, then he will be passed. Now we have to find out the percentage marks. Okay, 100 marks should be obtained for getting passed. And what will be the percentage? 100 upon total marks into 100. What we get? 50%. So 50% marks are the required marks for passing the exam. Okay, everyone? Next question. This is for you. You can do it. Convert 12.5 into percentage. Give me the answer fast.
Ma'am, 12.5%.
12.5%. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So just multiply it by 100. We get, place the decimal before one digit, we get 1250%. Okay? Option C. So our session is completed here. Thank you everyone for being so interactive. Thank you so much.